Hi there, I'm Dan Knupp with Inner Plant Sales. I'm going to run a standard modern CNC lathe for you here today. It's a powerful 20 horsepower machine. It's got a 3-speed auto shift head. It's got a Centurion 5 control. It's got a nice heavy D18 spindle in it, 3-inch spindle bore. Comes with a 3-jaw chuck there. Has a large D-style quick change tool post here. It's got the nice 4-jaw chuck with it in the end. I'll run the spindle here for you and shift it in different speed ranges. This will be in low gear, 200 RPM. Spindle change speed here. Slow gear, we'll change it to medium gear. Speed. That's about 600 RPM. I'll put it in high range now. RPM. RPM. I'll jog the axis here. Got pretty nice looking ways on it. Nice heavy tailstock. Machine supported through Standard Modern, Racer Machinery. Machine is on 230 volt 3-phase, and it's got the 20 horsepower drive in it. Any questions, give us a call.